Hello guys and welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix SweatCoin not counting step. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there's actually multiple reasons why SweatCoin is not detecting or counting your steps. So to fix this, the first thing you want to do is you want to ensure that SweatCoin is actually the latest application or the latest version that you're currently using right now. So go ahead and go to App Store or Google Play Store and you want to look for SweatCoin. Now in here, you want to make sure that you have the latest update. So if there are any updates, just click on update. And from here, you just need to wait for this to completely continue updating your application. Now once the update is complete, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on open and check if that actually solves your issue. But if this doesn't solve the issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to fix a few settings on the SweatCoin application. Now in SweatCoin, you see the application there. Just press and hold on SweatCoin. And from here, you want to go to App Info. Under App Info, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to ensure that you have the correct permissions. Go to App Permissions. And from here, you have to ensure that physical activity is actually enabled on your application here or for SweatCoin. So once you've enabled that, go ahead and go back here and you want to now clear your data. So here, just click on clear your data and you want to clear ARM cache. Click on OK, clear all data and click on OK again. Now from here, you need to check the SweatCoin application if that now solves your issue, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.